Hello friends, today I am going to make 3 new viral dumpling squishies. They are super cute, soft and so much fun to play. Let's start with our first DIY dumpling squishy. First take a balloon and cut the balloon from the top and fill it with a kinetic sand. Keep adding the sand until the balloon is full. You can use funnel if you have, shown in the picture. Now secure the opening with a rubber band. And then wrap some tape around the top to make it neat and strong. If you have glitter glue, you can apply it on the top to make it look more beautiful. Now let's see how our first DIY turned out. Wow, this one turned out so soft and satisfying. It's so smooth. You must try it at home. It's so relaxing and satisfying. Okay, now let's move on our second DIY. This one DIY is really cute and it's actually my favorite. For this DIY, we will take another balloon and fill it with a soft clay. I'm using 2 pieces of soft clay. Let's see how this one turned out. Oh wow, this one turned out so soft and satisfying. It's so smooth and I can't stop squeezing it. It's seriously so relaxing and satisfying. I'm enjoying it so much and even I forget that I was recording a video. Before we spend the whole video playing with this one, let's move on our final DIY. For our final DIY, we will need some liquid glue. You can use any glue. I'm using white glue for this one. You can use funnel if you have. I don't have funnel, so I'm doing like this. Now let's see how our final DIY turned out. This one turned out really nice. It's really soft, smooth and squishy. I like to play with it. Out of all 3 DIY, my favorite was definitely the soft clay dumpling squishy. My second favorite was the kinetic sand. I found these two the most satisfying to make and I had so much fun playing with them. The glue dumpling squishy turned out really nice too, but the soft clay and kinetic sand they were super satisfying, relaxing and enjoyable to squish. I think it's feel the best. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comment. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.